Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I'd like to talk to you about prenuptial agreements in England. If you are a couple living in England and are soon to get married, you may wish to take some consideration into entering into a prenuptial agreement. Although many people in England still believe that prenuptial agreements are not worth the paper they are written on, and indeed historically they were not thought to be legally binding, this all changed in 2010 when an English court upheld a prenuptial agreement entered into by a couple. Since then, more and more couples are now signing them. Because prenuptial agreements are still in fact not actually legally binding in England, and won't be until around 2014, courts still retain a discretion as to whether or not to follow them. Therefore, a prenuptial agreement entered into in a short marriage with no children is more likely to be upheld than, say, in a longer marriage where circumstances are very different to when the agreement was signed. If you have considerable personal and financial assets that you wish to try and protect as much as you can from potential future litigation, you would be well advised to seek some advice on this issue. There is, of course, the ongoing debate about prenuptial agreements and whether they are a sensible and pragmatic approach to protecting yourself, or whether they simply take the romance out of the big day before vows are even exchanged. But putting this debate to one side, couples would at least be well advised to give consideration to entering one before saying I do. That's all we have time for today. Thank you for watching.